50 slots. We're Dancing Drums Explosion at Jackson Rancheria. And after last week, our big mistakes. This is section 56. So hopefully we can do better.
All right.
First spin. We're back to our regular 120 in, 20 spins.
At least we saw bonuses last.
That's true. We did get to see a couple bonuses, which was nice. We moved over to the machine that was next to it. Let's see if maybe it could give us a bonus.
Sorry for the glare.
We'll see. Don't forget, if you like this channel, please hit that subscribe button and like our videos. We've been around for a while, but it's just a hobby.
Oh.
Where's Michael from? Is that 10?
That's 10.
I'm glad you're counting because I lost track when I started talking.
Ooh. There's an echo here.
Yeah. It's kind of weird.
Alright. Come on.
Come on, we need something. Do something.
Oh. This is bad.
Yeah. It's our same old, same old.
Got 2 more.
Oh.
No.
Okay, my last win. Find something, anything. Oh my God, points. $9. Good enough for me. Now you get the bonus.
Get a $100 win.
Nope.
Got nothing.
Okay, well,
All right.
we're cashing out with $37.50. And that was Dancing Drums Explosion.
Close the pot. We should see those increase.
We just turned off the camera from session 56 and lowered our bet, and we closed the pot.
Okay.
What are you gonna do? Not if the two people are swiping over. I don't understand.
Okay, will you hold that?
You almost got something.
Almost. Let's see. I like this.
Oh, wait. I forgot to show this. We didn't qualify for the explosion because we lowered our bet to $1.80. But the grand is 24 and the major is 16.88.
I like this cluster right here. Oh, I
I'll take
like
the
this
grand.
cluster right here.
Grand. Oh, major.
Run.
Now what are you gonna pick?
I want the grand.
You got the mini. $21. Oops. Mini jackpot winner.
21.
Okay. Do a couple backup spins since we're here. See if we can get a bonus.
That glare is bad.
It is.
There we go.
The machines behind us are very bright. We'll come back if we get the time. Yeah, it seemed like a good idea at the time. We're over 50 slots. We're here at Bellagio, and we're doing a group poll on Buffalo League.
Buffalo.
This is why we're doing it, because it's got a maxed out major. The Buffalo has to give us a free feature by 1800, and these are what count for the counter. And we're on 2 cents, $2 bet. Go ahead, Yvonne, you start. Oops. Man, my finger's getting in the way.
Wow, Wolf.
Come on. Oh.
How many of those do we need, Andre?
8 of the Flaming Buffaloes or 3 points.
Round 2.
Oops, sorry, Yvonne. I'm already out of turn.
it just doesn't it end up there?
Yeah, it adds it to up there. See, this counter goes up every time we land these. Oh man, look at those wasted wilds. You can go ahead and go this time. I won't take your turn. Come on, Buffalo. Coins, coins. Oh, got some kings. Man, I'm shaky today.
Come on, Buff. Yeah, free.
We're up to $12.91. Yeah?
All right, I'll get 3 more. Yeah. All right,
Now we need some winning line hits. Oh.
We're 13.
Oh.
Yeah. We get 3 at a time.
We want money, Tony.
2 that time. Come on, Buffalo, run.
Coins.
Come on, guys.
Oh, come on, we need a line hit. Keep us in it. Oh, you did? Oh. I want that major.
Cougars!
Cougars!
Yeah!
Yeah, good job, honey. $12. $12. It's 2 cents.
Whose turn?
Yours?
Nice. Come on, Cougar! Come on, Buffalo. Our time's
Come on, we need to win.
So to get the major, you have to get this game.
You have to get, yeah, you have to land the major in the hold and spin. 4 more, 5 more, 3 more. What's something?
That was kind of a lot.
Oh, the mini's 40.
That wasn't fair.
Oh, I've got to do it again. I have to sit on my hand. Oh, again. Come on, Buffalo. Come on, Greg. You can do it.
Nice one.
Oh,
Yes, with the wilds.
yeah, it's only $3.
What?
It's more than our bet. It's a win.
Still good.
Come
One
on.
more.
Oh, 4 more.
Come on, guys. What if we got a whole full screen of that?
That'd be money.
15 more.
That'd be good. I'd like that.
That'd be more.
Coins.
That'd be 20.
Oh.
Come on, 20 buffalo. 20 buffalo.
Oh, you got it. Yeah. Free feature. What are you gonna get? It can be the free games or the hold and spin, honey.
What is it?
I don't know yet. Let's push it.
How do we know which one we get?
We'll find out in a minute.
Which one we want?
Hold and spin. Major. Drop the major.
We don't have any.
Come on. Yeah, because we're starting. We got the free feature. Come on, major. We need words. Minor. Mini, minor, major. Oh, there's the mini. Come
That's
on.
how we got our money.
Mini, minor, major. Come
Come on,
on.
guys.
I want more words.
Wait, what was that?
It's counting still.
Oh.
Come on, we want more words. again, honey. Come on, find another buffalo. 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 Oh. So that was good.
Oh, ones and twos.
Nice. Woo. Nice. And now we're up. Go ahead, Tony, you do it back up. Back to back. Go ahead. See what it's at on nickels. Oh, we already did pennies. See what it's at on nickels. Oh, no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Okay. We'll come back if we decide to pull anything else.